This will be a video tutorial on how to fit all artboards in window in Adobe Illustrator. I will be using Illustrator 2023 on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Illustrator here. Okay, I have Illustrator open now and I have 4 artboards. To fit all of your artboards into the window, the easiest way to do it is to go up to the View tab, click on the View tab, then you want to go down to where it says Fit All in Window. The keyboard shortcut for Fit All in Window is Alt Ctrl 0. I'm going to click on this, and there we have it. That is the easiest way to fit all of your artboards in your window in Adobe Illustrator. Thanks for watching.